a day in my life in Jamaica. This is essentially our first full day. After the last vlog, you guys saw that I ended it before we went to lunch, so I thought I would just pick up from that point. So I hope you guys enjoy. Stay tuned for the rest of the vlogs because there's lots to come. My That Girl morning routine and then one full vlog with all the activities and things to come. It's 1:50. We're gonna go ahead and eat some lunch and then probably come back here and change and like go to the pool or something because it's so hot. See you guys when we are eating lunch. Hopefully something yummy. Quick interruption to say thank you to Dossier for sponsoring today's video. I want to share with you guys my new scent this month that I am obsessed with, and I actually have the site pulled up. I know a lot of you guys are new here, which thank you so much. We are so close to hitting 8K subscribers, and we just hit 7K literally last Wednesday. So I know I have a lot of new people here, and I just want to say you need to pay very close attention because you need to run and go buy yourself some Dossier perfume or cologne if you have a loved one, which I want to talk to you guys about that in 1 second. So Dossier reproduces luxury high-end scents at a fraction of the price, so you don't have to spend so much money. Like, just think about it logically. Why would you want to go to Macy's or go to a store and purchase a perfume or a cologne for $100, $200, $300 even? Like, are you kidding me? That just doesn't really make sense when you can literally get those same iconic scents without that huge markup. Your bank will thank you. You will thank me for putting you on. And I even have a code for you guys to use, which is BriannaF10 at checkout. It's going to be right here on the screen and everything is linked down below. So my scent right here, this one is called Fruity Jasmine, but the inspired by scent is Dior. Yes, Dior. So they have Dior, they have Tom Ford, they have Gucci, like they have so many inspired by scents. They have Baccarat Rouge inspired. That one is literally one of my favorites, and there's also one of their best sellers. I'm about to put some on now actually. I'm going out soon, so gotta smell good. It lasts all day. Ooh, this one smells classy. She's a classy girl. That's what this one is giving. Ooh, I love it. And I love that it comes with a little note card just so you can like be informed about like the top notes that it has. Just cute and like little personalization I personally love. They have men's cologne. They have unisex scent. So like I was telling you before, another one that I think would be a really great gift is if you have like a boyfriend, your dad, or even just a friend, a brother, and you want to gift them a cologne, for example, you don't know, because I feel like even with Christmas coming up, the holidays, I know it's a little bit early, but like they have this one, which is everyone's favorite, everyone's boyfriend's favorite. I freaking swear I've seen so many TikToks where they have to have this cologne. So, and look at the affordable price, $29. Are you kidding? If there's one thing that you buy that I mention, it's these, because you guys will not be disappointed. They also have free returns, and so if you get a scent that you don't love it, you can return it, you can exchange. So take a quiz too. They also have a quiz if you guys are interested. And with back to school season here, you want to smell good on campus, you want to impress people, just feel confident and all that stuff, then you need to try them. So enough talking, click the link down below to shop, and let's carry on with the rest of this vacation vlog. Oh, it's so nice. Let's go downstairs. Little hotel resort tour. It's so nice. So this is one pool area. Oh, there's a volleyball net over here. It's another pool area. Another pool area. There's like 4 pools here. Yeah. And then there's the pool bar. Like, imagine like staying over there. See those little huts? You guys already know I love me a little splash park. All right, we'll be back. So these are the like there's different villas. So it's so freaking nice. Everything is white. I can't wait to take pictures here. And we just saw like on the ocean they have like villas. It like gives me Maldives vibes or something, where they have those little huts. Okay, we just got back from lunch, and now about to put on a bathing suit and go to the splash park, because why the heck not, and get like drinks by the pool. The thing is, my mom helped me finish packing, so I don't know where all my okay, my bathing suits are here. What color vibe are we feeling today for my bathing suit today? Okay, maybe we'll do this for the first day. What do we think? Okay, heading out to the pool and the water splishy splash place now. Bathing suit is from Zaffa. Okay, we're going on the slide. It's actually really freaking fun. Especially, okay, let's do the dark green one and let's do the toilet bowl one again and then we'll go to the pool. The toilet one is like low-key really scary.
I want to go in the water though.
I know. Okay, we can do that. But I do want to get like a drink or something.
Oh yeah, good.
Do that one. No, we need to do this one.
Do that one.
Okay, bye. Is it good?
Watch me breaking, you're sweet, you're falling into me, touch me, I swear, you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn, baby, feel free, I wanna make you sweat on me, I wanna make you sweat on me, I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn.
Okay, we decided to sit over here. We got some more drinks and we're just sitting by the ocean to kind of like end off before we go back to our room to shower and stuff. I look crazy, but we just took also a shot, so I'm starting to feel it a little bit, but when we get back, my hair also is getting very frizzy. We're gonna go back and shower and then go to dinner, take some pictures. You guys already know. Pina colada for the win for me. Hi guys, we're getting ready. So I just took a shower. This is gonna be my night one outfit. I'm wearing this Princess Polly romper. Super cute. It has like the, I don't know if you guys can see. Threw my hair up in a bun. I'm using the Tresemme extra hold hairspray that I got. So I'm gonna use some of this. Ooh. Okay, this is gonna be amazing because the one I have at home, you guys know, is trash. That should be good enough. I'm gonna put on a little bit of mascara and call it a night. Okay guys, throw on a little bit of mascara. We're gonna go to this Italian restaurant for dinner for tonight. But yeah, here's outfit one. It's time to go to bed. I'm ending off this video right now because I'm probably starting off a new one tomorrow morning. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog, the full day one of our trip. It was super fun and I'm so tired and exhausted, so I'm super excited to sleep, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like the video if you guys enjoyed, comment, subscribe, all the things, and I'll see you guys in the next video.